Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the file system versus DBMS. So basics file system DBMS. So structure in file system. The file system is a way of arranging the files in a store medium in a computer. DBMS. DBMS is a software for managing the database. Second one, data redundancy. So in file system, redundant data can be present. Okay. In DBMS, there is no redundant data. What is mean by redundant data? Same data is applicable at different locations is called as a redundancy. So redundancy is present in file system but not in DBMS. Backup and recovery. It does not provide inbuilt mechanism for backup and recovery, but it provides house tools for backup and recovery. Remember, backup and recovery is not there in file system. Backup and recovery is there in DBMS. So the overall importance of these three lines are, so here the file is a way of organizing the files in a stored medium within a computer. So it is a software. Redundancy is there in file system. Redundancy not there in DBMS. Backup and recovery is not there in file system, but it provides the backup and recovery. So we'll move on to next point. So this is next one is the query processing. So query processing in file system, there is no efficient query processing in file system. In DBMS, it provides efficient query processing is there in DBMS. Next one, consistency. So consistency, there is less data consistency in the file system. But if you see in the DBMS, there is more data consistency because of the process of normalization. So what is the purpose of normalization? Normalization is used to reduce the redundancy. Due to normalization, it provides the more consistency. Next one, complexity. File system, it is less complex compared to DBMS. DBMS, it has more complexity compared to file system. Security. File system provides less security than DBMS. DBMS provides more security mechanism compared to file system. Let us move on to next point, cost. So the cost is in file system, it is less expensive. But if you see in DBMS, it has a comparatively higher cost than file system. Data independence. There is no data independence in file system. Data independence exists many of types in either it could be logical and physical data independence. User access. Only one user can access at a time in file system. Multiple users can access in DBMS. So only one user can perform a task. More than one user can perform a task in DBMS. Next one, integrity constraints. So integrity constraints are difficult to implement in file system. Integrity constraints are easy to implement DBMS. So what is meant by these integrity constraints? So we are going to give constraint to the columns. Something like primary key, foreign key are called as a constraints. Okay. So next example for file system is COBOL and C++. Example for DBMS is Oracle and SQL Server. Okay. So this is about the differences between file system and DBMS. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.